Welcome aboard the Betty Ford, a 1986 Bestway 50-foot cockpit motor yacht, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. This is an exceptionally well-maintained boat, and the Betty Ford has been lovingly cared for by her owner since 1996. The 1986 Bestway 50-foot cockpit motor yacht is a classic vessel with many appealing features, and the yacht's exterior features a classic motor yacht profile. Bestway Marine, known for its attention to detail and craftsmanship, designed this yacht to offer a blend of comfort, style, and performance. There have been many recent updates to this vessel, including fresh bottom paint, new tanks, windows replaced, and new canvas. The Betty Ford has beautiful paintwork, non-skid, and bright work. There is a large extended swim platform with boarding ladder that adds to the ease of access to the boat, both from the dock and from the water. Boarding the Betty Ford is safe and easy through the gated railings on either side or from the swim platform. At the stern, there is an open deck area that provides plenty of room for loading the dinghy or for chairs to relax on that perfect day. There is an aft hatch that gives access to the aft cabin and also provides ventilation and light into the cabin. Heading up to the next level, we enter the spacious cockpit, which provides ample space for outdoor relaxation and entertaining. The cockpit is a standout feature and is well suited for lounging or simply enjoying the views. The space is beautifully finished with stunning paint and teak. The Flybridge offers additional space for navigation and relaxation with a commanding view of the surrounding waters. The Flybridge has ample seating, storage, and has a complete enclosure. The helm has a full range of controls along with a chart plotter. The boat deck provides a convenient and safe storage for the tender and a davit system to launch and recover the tender. The decks on the boat deck is another example of the beautiful paintwork and non-skid. Moving forward, Betty Ford's side decks are easy to navigate and are safe for children and pets. On the bow, you are greeted with a spacious area that is a perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. The Betty Ford is equipped with a very robust windlass, and access to the windlass and anchor is easy with the open bow deck area. She's equipped with window covers and railing covers. The main salon can be entered from the starboard deck or from the cockpit through beautiful teak doors. Betty Ford's interior is designed with a focus on comfort and luxury. The main salon is spacious, featuring comfortable seating, large windows for plenty of natural light, and an entertainment center. The design includes high-quality wood finishes and plush furnishings. The beautiful lower helm station features engine controls and a full range of gauges. There is an overhead electronics area with instruments. The breaker panel is conveniently located next to the helm and protected with plexiglass. From here we head down into the very functional galley. The galley is equipped with an electric stove and oven, microwave, double stainless steel sink, a dishwasher, and a very large refrigerator and freezer. There is ample counter space and storage. Adjacent to the galley, the dining area is equipped with a large table and seating for several guests. The overhead is open to the forward salon windows, providing skylight-style lighting. This is a comfortable space for meals and socializing. Moving forward is the VIP cabin with a large berth and ample storage. The cabin includes a sizable head with shower. Heading aft, we enter the aft cabin, which is known for its generous size and comfort. This cabin features a walk-around queen-size berth, a private head, and good storage options, making it a great choice for extended cruising. There are a number of hanging lockers, dressers, and cabinet storage spaces. The private owner's head area is spacious and features a bathtub and shower. The Betty Ford's engine room, with access in the salon, is a standout feature. There is a generator mallet aft, and there is plenty of space around both engines to easily access for maintenance. The twin Volvo diesels provide dependable, economical power. The Bestway 50 Cockpit motor yacht is a solid choice for those looking for a roomy and comfortable yacht for extended trips or living aboard. To book your appointment to view the Betty Ford, contact Little Yacht Sales.